Hello, this is Maria. No need to worry about home power generation anymore. Kangweisi inverter will be the solution for you. Kangweisi brand products have independent warranty inquiry function. Do you know? Today, I would like to introduce you the products called inquiry process. Hello, first, we open the terminal, input the website, and then check our company's website. Into the website, we can see this picture. And then you can see this word. You select this word. You select this word and then check the number. And then you input the serial number and check it. You can see these 5 numbers you can choose. And then you can see 5 choose model, date of production, warranty period, end of warranty period, remarks. This is how to warranty inquiry functions. That's all. Thank you. In addition, today I would like to recommend our exclusive goods on grade 10 kilowatt household on grade inverter. This inverter has a conversion efficiency of up to 98.5%, IP65 protection level 380 out of voltage. DSP, CPLD, ARM, and other 4-core structure a variety of qualifications and product code to check the warranty can. If you are looking for a suitable inverter recently, choose Kangweisi inverter. I'm Maria. Looking forward to meeting you. See you in the next video. See you again.